Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Helium 10 account from a desktop browser so menus behave predictably. Once logged in, make sure the email, payment method, and subscription tier are visible on the account page because you will need those details. Next, navigate directly to your profile avatar in the top right. Click it and select Account or Billing. This is the first actionable step. Access the subscription management area now so you can proceed to the cancellation options without delay. Once in billing, click the active plan to reveal cancellation controls. Helium 10 typically requires a cancellation reason and identity confirmation to prevent accidental churn. Choose your reason from the list and complete any CAPTCHA or password prompt they request. Make sure to read any prorated refund policy or commit period. If you're on an annual plan, there may be different rules. After confirming, select Cancel Subscription. Then review the on-screen summary so you understand what stops immediately and what continues. Finalize cancellation by confirming the dialog and saving the confirmation number or email for your records. This is your proof of request. Once done, verify the billing page shows canceled status and the subscription end date so you aren't billed unexpectedly. If charges still occur or the UI blocks cancellation, contact Helium 10 support immediately, open chat or submit a ticket, include your account ID, last four of card, and a screenshot. This troubleshooting step resolves most issues quickly and prevents unwanted renewals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.